In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size and font style quickly in Microsoft Outlook. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google or your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from the results. That will take you straight to your mailbox on the web. Once your inbox loads, click New Mail. This opens the Compose pane where you can write and format your email. Go ahead and type your message first. It's often easier to write everything and then format it, so you can apply changes consistently. To change the look of all the text at once, highlight your message. You can click and drag to select it, or use a faster keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and A on Windows, or Command and A on a Mac. With everything selected, any formatting you choose will apply to the entire message. Next, find the formatting toolbar at the bottom or top of the Compose pane. Click the drop-down that displays the current font name to pick a new font style. Choose something that fits your tone. Professional options like Calibri, Arial, or Times New Roman are commonly used. Outlook will immediately update the selected text so you can preview the result. Right beside the font name, you'll see a number. That's your font size. Click its drop-down and pick the size you want. For most emails, a size between 11 and 14 points is readable on both desktop and mobile. If you only want part of the message larger, like a heading, select just that section first, then set the size. If you don't select anything, the font and size you choose will apply from your cursor onward, which is helpful when you're still writing and want to keep a consistent style. And remember, what you see in the Compose window is what your recipients will see. So take a moment to check spacing and readability. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep contrast strong for accessibility, avoid very small fonts that are hard to read, and use one or two fonts at most to maintain a clean, professional look. That's it. You've searched for Outlook, opened a new message, typed your content, selected it, and quickly changed both the font style and the font size using the drop-down menus. You're ready to send a polished email with formatting that stands out for the right reasons.